Okay, let me see you come. Yes, good. Nice, nice, yes. Controlled speed, brake. Brake. Let's come to a stop. Come to a complete stop. Yep. Good that you can stop. Okay, let's see you stop again. Yes, good. Okay, let's get a bit more speed this time. Okay, now stop. Good.
That's a bit too much. That's a bit late. Slow stop.
That's it. Nice one. Good one. Okay, can you turn it around or just come back this way and then we'll go back down there. Just I want to prepare you for the gate. Turn around. Okay, come back this way. I think you can do it. What? Here. Now what? Back to. Yep. Okay, now you go on. Now go. You're on the flat now. It'll go. Ready? Go on. Now hop on.
No.
Why?
Because I wanted you to take it up here.
It's not up. It's flat here. Okay, now turn around and come back. Okay, that'll do. Turn around now. We've got to go down to the gate. Turn around, darling.
Oh, not that. The car's going to keep on stopping.
No, I won't. I'll let you go all the way to the gate this time. Promise. Okay, good. Nice riding. Keep going past. Nice riding. Very good riding. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay, wait for me. See your brake, please. Let's see the braking. Let's see you stop completely. Well done. That was a nice stop.
Dad, keep stopping me.
Okay, now. Okay, nice and slowly. Good. Excellent. Yep. I've got to run to keep up with you. You're going too fast now. Hey! Come back here, mister. Come on. Is it a bit uphill?
Can you give me some effort?
A bit uphill here. Okay, let's go back the other way now. Or do you want to go to the gate?
I want to go.
Okay, you pedal.
I want to go all
You pedal
the way
too.
up. I want to go
I'm not going all the way up that hill.
Yeah.
No, it's too much.
No, we're still going to do it, Dad.
Let's go up to the sunlight. That's where we can be the starting point of the downhill challenge.
The downhill challenge is so easy.
Well, this B10 bike's fantastic.
Please not for me.